Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career circumstance. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Taurus, I have a very good friend of mine. She is an intuitive reader and she gives personal reading in fever. So if you want, you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below, Taurus. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. So we have Knight of Cups in reverse, Seven of Wands in reverse, and Chariot. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really balanced. You are a person making right choices today. You think with clarity and you decide with that clear knowledge, and you are a person of discipline. So you have certain ideals and beliefs for yourself and you stand by the rules you have for yourself, and you are a strong determined person. So whatever choices you make, you stand by those choices, you try to do things the right way. And maybe in your circumstances today, in your work, maybe there may be people who are against you, who are hiding something from you, who are trying to involve you in some kind of a fraudulent activity, trick you into something. So you must be really careful with this person, and they are not to be trusted, even though they are your colleague or your mentor or your close friend, whoever it is. Maybe if you feel that their intentions are not good, you must be really careful today, Taurus, because their intentions are not good. And maybe it may be your energy or your person's energy. So you're worried about something, maybe for what has happened in this relationship. Maybe you love this person a lot. You would have shared a good understanding, but today you are quite anxious or you're embarrassed for some reason, maybe for some mistakes that has been committed. Maybe it was some mistakes on your part, or it may be mistakes of this person. So you want to change the way things are going in this relationship, but you are quite embarrassed. You don't know what will happen or what will be this person's reaction or what will be the future of this connection. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Queen of Cups in reverse. So with this card, maybe you may have a relationship, you may have a level of understanding, but deep down you know that something is missing in this love and that something is not right. Maybe this person, this person is not to be trusted. Maybe their intentions are different from yours. So they are here in this relationship maybe not for love, not for commitment, but maybe just for fun or just for the sake of uh, being with you. So they are not truly interested in a very committed, responsible relationship. So you must be really careful with this person in this connection. So for your career situation, Taurus, we have Queen of Wands in reverse. So though you have everything you need, maybe you have the people, the workforce, good offers, opportunities in your career, you have a lot of competition in your work situation. So you must be really careful. If you want success, you must be really attentive to what decisions you make, whether it is right or wrong in your work circumstances. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth. And when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us, because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship, maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same visions, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are, without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition, you must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.